MCAT question. Let's go. Which of the following molecules a bent molecular geometry contains one or more lone pairs on the central atom and has sp3 hybridization? So let's start by drawing the Lewis structures of each of these atoms. So we'll start with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So carbon has 4 valence electrons, and each oxygen will have 6. So we have 2. We're going to have 2 of these, 6 valence electrons. 4 plus 6, 10, 16 valence electrons total. So let's draw C, double bond O, double bond O, draw lone pairs, and just to check, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, total. Now NH3, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, each hydrogen has 1. So we have a total of 8 valence electrons. So then we get to go 2, 4, 6, and draw the lone pair, NH3, CH4, methane, 4 plus go, total of 8 valence electrons. It will look something like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, darted. And last but not least, H2O, or water, 6 valence electrons from oxygen, plus 2 from the hydrogens, makes 8 valence electrons as well. So, and then 2 lone pairs. Okay, so let's look at their hybridization first. So carbon has 2 electron domains, therefore it is only sp hybridized, so it is not carbon dioxide. NH3 has 4 sp3, so it can be CH4, 4 electron domains, therefore it can also be, therefore it is also sp3. Water has 4 as well, therefore it's sp4. So we know it's not carbon dioxide, scratch that. So now let's look at lone pairs. It says 1 or more lone pairs. So nitrogen has 1 lone pair here, so it could be nitrogen. CH4 or methane has no lone pairs, so it cannot be CH4. And hydrogen has 2. Sorry, water has 2, so it could also be water. So now we know it's not methane. So it's either between NH3 and H2 when it comes to a bent molecular geometry. Now, which one has a bent molecular geometry? NH3 has 3. It has a steric number of 4, or it has 4 domains. Now, 4 domains usually means tetrahedral, but because we have a lone pair, the shape of this is going to be trigonal pyramid. Now, this is a worksheet that you can find out online, and this is something you need to know for the MCAT. You need to memorize this. You need to know the shapes of various situations. And then we have water. Now, water also has 4 domains, but it's split between 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs, which gives it a bent/angular shape. Therefore, our answer is water. Thank you for watching. Bye.